Hello, ambitious learners. Welcome back to Dr. Shaurav's classes. Today, we are talking about a qualification that opens the international doors. The Cambridge Business Certificate or the CBC examination. If you are planning to study, work, or build a corporate career abroad, this certification proves your English and business communication skills to the global employers and universities. So let's understand what CBC is, how it works, and how our coaching can help you ace it. The Cambridge Business Certificate, formerly known as BEC, is designed by the Cambridge Assessment English, a part of the University of Cambridge. It's accepted by thousands of companies and academic institutions across the whole world. There are three main levels: CBC Preliminary B1, CBC Vintage B2, and CBC Higher C1. Each level tests your real world English in business context like meetings, presentations, mails, and negotiations. This examination has four sections: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. In reading, you analyze the business articles, memos, and the reports. In writing, you draft the letters, proposals, or summaries. Listening involves understanding the interviews, announcements, or the discussions. And speaking is done face to face, often in pairs, simulating workplace communication. The test duration is about 2 hours 40 minutes depending on the level. Results are given on the Cambridge English scale with the scores from 140 to 190. Your certificate shows both your grade and the CEFR level. So even if you miss a higher level slightly, you still earn recognition for the level you achieved. These certificates never expire and are respected by companies like HP, Deloitte, Coca-Cola, and many more top universities. Now, at Dr. Shaurav's classes, we prepare students for the CBC examination with a skill-based practical approach, and our course includes business vocabulary and grammar workshops, email and report writing practice, listening drills, and using the real corporate conversations, mock interviews, and speaking simulations, and the full-length CBC mock examination under timed condition. We focus on fluency, accuracy, and confidence, the three pillars of business communication. So, if your dream is to work in the multinational company, study business abroad, or simply stand out in today's global market, the CBC exam is your passport. With our expert training and mentorship, you will just not pass, you will master business English with confidence.